think about defensive driving, that is one of the skills that has to be like a habit. Once those habits of defensive driving are really set, we can really mold and shape them right here in the simulator. Once we bring them into the simulator, we'll go over all those core skills. Let's say making left-hand turns, right turns, how to assess hazards, pedestrians. We can even put them through bad weather conditions. So that is one critical area that we have to assess before they get behind the wheel of a real transit bus on the streets.
We knew there was a product that we needed to pursue to help train the operators become more vigilant in how they're going to confront this changing way that we maneuver on the streets. People always discuss how difficult it would be to get your hands on a proper sim that fits your agency, and that couldn't be further from the truth. Going through the process by far, even though it was challenging, was not as difficult as we thought it was going to be.
For the company, it's becoming more of a standard training tool. If an operator, for instance, has an accident or an incident, it's becoming now mandatory for them to come in to endure more training, to go through more training to make sure that their skills are where we need them to be so that once they are released to go back on the road, hopefully we won't have any more incidents of that particular nature.
I've been driving for 4 years. This training has taught me to be more mindful of the road users, not to take stuff for granted. It stimulated and reactivated my brain as a driver. You were to look for things that you would not normally look for. For instance, there's no turn signal, slow your bus, wait, see what's gonna happen. And this is quite frequent for drivers, for bus drivers, for people to cut in front of you without a turn signal or anything. I have learned that we don't take the roads for granted.
We do have a lot of people come through here, and we can go back and the operator can actually see themselves whether they were doing what they should have been done. Their hand position, that's very critical. Having good control over the vehicle. All of that can be assessed right here without even going on the road. It doesn't negate going on the road, but this here gives them the skills before they get on the road. It's not always feasible to go on the road. I can easily accomplish defensive driving right here. The same thing that you would do in a simulator, you would do it on the bus.
This is real, and this is what you experience every day.